Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the mall. WTC Mall. Oh, the other shop is still closed. Oh, this is ground. Ay, ano, first floor. This is in the ground. We need to go to the food court. This is the other shop is still closed. They have a nice light here. So, we need to go up. We need to go up. This is going down. Going down. Going up. Where is the elevator going up? On the other side. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy birthday everyone. Enjoy your day. I'm here in WTC Mall. Bye.